comments, and you don't expect so many comments to please you. You are.
Hello my people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I bring this our sister UK family come out. UK family show. If you know her, you know her. If you don't know her, go to her house, go and watch her video. The reason why I bring this my beautiful lady come my channel today, because she talked something when took my liver echo meme. I don't know about you. When I see some of her comments, when some people they say, hey, for me, I don't know. You know that this social media, this social media, when we dey here to learn, we dey here to correct ourselves, and we dey here to pick the good things and enter your house. No pick the bad thing. If you're among of the people when they pick bad thing, don't pick bad thing. If you understand, you understand. If you don't understand, forget about it. Yes, so our sister UK family, I watch her video. Me na part of my children don't come back from school. I watch her video when she talk about say this social media fit repair you. This social media fit change your life in trickle of eyes. This social media, if it destroy my people. And she still mention about this social media. Many of us will be content go say we don't have friend. We don't have friend. I pick something inside. Sometimes you watch. When you watch, you don't draw video. But this video was, if I push me to drop comment, and I drop the comment, let's listen to her. Wait till she get to talk. Then we will come to deliberate on, and then we'll end the video. Let's go straight to the
Power of the social media. Now, does social media add any value to our lives? Social media add values to one's life, and at the same time, it might not add to some people's life. So, why am I saying this? Is that social media is a place whereby you come in to get information, you come in to know what's happening, the latest news, what's hitting. Most times now, people don't really bother themselves to say I'm tuning on the screen of the television like that. But you see everybody now on Android phones. Everybody wants to see what's happening. Before you know, you say you don't have a friend on social media. Well, to some people, you might not have friends, but some people meet their spouse. Also, on the streets of YouTube, where we say social media, and you don't have a friend, you don't have a this. Well, you don't have a friend, but at the same time, you also have a friend. Everybody does not need to be your friend. Your fans, people that subscribe to be watching you, those are your number one friends. You call them fans. They are your number one friends. They are your number one subscribers. If it's on Facebook, they are your number one followers. Because what you publish out, what you put out on the screen, you are putting it for your friends. Come and watch. So they are your friends, they are your fans. So you don't say you don't have a friend, you don't have a friend on social media. No, you have friends on social media. The only thing is that when you do what is good, those same friends will support you, encourage you. But if you do what is wrong, yes, those same friends, those same subscribers, those same fans will criticize you. And in all, if you receive criticism and you accept it, when you see what they are criticizing you for, and you see that you are wrong, and you accept it, that makes you a hero, yes.
that part. So it triggered my liver echo meme. Say UK and her sister, they get misunderstanding, But many people blast her from the beginning. Many people blast sis UK. I believe say she quickly realized. Say they always talk, and she quickly realized. I don't want to bring one somebody come here now. No, let me just deliberate. This lady is a wise woman and a sharp and a smart woman. You understand? When she sees, say, when they fight, don't ever fight blind. Don't ever fight. Just fight and open your eyes. See the majority. They say majority win the vote. When this lady sees, say, people blast her about her sister child when he meets the next day. Hey, I pray, oh my sister. In fact, the next day she come outside, go apologize. In fact, through there, now she say, maybe people going to turn and say, come on body. Now he's off. Now they come, waiting mama use cloth cover everything, make water for her side. My people not be there, one read go. Waiting our sister read talk, UK family, not true. Me, I be number one why they say, I don't get friend. I don't get friend on social media. I just do my own. But this our sister, I can't go deep. When you feel say you will meet somebody who know or who open packs you. When she break her down, for me, not be for anybody. When she break her, I really see myself say, it's true. It takes somebody who like you. It takes somebody who loves you for who you are, that they will come your platform, genuinely watch you, genuinely support you, drop their opinion as it sweet them, as they say their opinion, as they say their own version, they will drop out for you. If they don't like you, they don't send you, they don't carry their phone, start to the type. It's true, say we don't get family for social media, and we get friend, and we get sister, and we get brother, and we get mothers and auntie. It take people who love you go stand by you. You go watch your video. My sister UK, that your video yesterday, in fact, it triggered my liver echo meme. I say, wow, it's true. From there, I just quickly, correct myself. Some points where I don't say for my note for the why not. I just quickly correct. And it's true. It takes somebody who like you. Now they go come your social media, come support you. It take because people they get their fan base, people they get their viewer. When you go, those people they don't already like that person so dear. Person when you not like, otherwise I don't be YouTuber. I don't say, okay, if you not support me, I know. But some big YouTuber, then when I go see their video, when I know feedbacks. You they see, naturally talk say, social media, if you repair you. She still make sure say, social media, if you change your life in trickle of eyes. That is true. And social media, if you destroy your life in trickle of eyes. That is true too. Do you believe that? It's not true. You get one of our brother when they say pure water, when you go share pure water for prison. Whether na Obi Kuba na be chief prince, one of them is here. Immediately that boy life it changed in trickle of eyes. But in trickle of eyes, it still they destroy many people on this social media. Talk about our sister Tiwa Savage when her naked picture come aside. I did not say that lady she not break down mentally, physical, and spiritual, and anyway she break down if she even come aside to claim. But inside her she was down. Naturally, our sister talk. Social media can repair you. Social media can destroy you. You can have family when you not get for normal ground. You can have her for social media. And me, I still put on some people they don't really like you. They don't see anything when they do good out of it. When some they go argue with you. You get one comment when I receive that sister, my sister, I really appreciate that your comment. I appreciate you. Okay, I know whether I don't forget your name, whether na Amara something like that. I be Amara. I know call me. I not just talk. Thank you for you to realize say wetin I talk say na genuine. I me still appreciate you. If there is any way I still do one bad, I beg no na people no na they correct me with love. Okay, I will say they pick am with love. It's not easy. Your opinion no just be everybody opinion. You are there to disagree and to agree. You understand? I appreciate all my subscriber. In fact, you are my family. You are my in fact backbone on this social media. After my God, my Oga. You guys when they support me now be my real VIP for this social media. I appreciate you now. And my sister still mentioned one thing when I was still try chook mad. Nowadays, two people go they fight. You say once you and person feel they do something, and that is true. The person will just take one video, will just blast her. Just think don't they aside. Why many youths nowadays before when they grow up if two people they fight now fight they separate. Now they don't separate fight so they'll carry phone camera before you don't see yourself, you don't see your kpekus, you don't see your woto for everywhere for social media. If you be
not be everybody go like you and not be everybody go love you, know that those kind people you still place there. But if you still read genuinely they support you, they love you, they tell you what you do is good or what you do is right, it's not good, then quickly take correction before the water pass garri.
And she still talk say nowadays she nobody they tweet and telly me I be number one. In fact our telly we get am because of children. Now phone come be since UK you finish this part now those videos me I dey see may they enter me woto you finish am. Wetin I read from inside say may we not ever they say we don't have friend, we don't have family on social media, we have family. If you not get UK family show, what are you waiting for? Go there, go watch the video from the beginning to the end. Tell us if they come from Naija Daughter. Okay, yes, we are born to make mistake. The only thing when we need to do now to quick realize so that may our ugly things not just spread for the city before we realize. Then when you say majority, wetin I still learn, when you say majority of human being they dey one place, you know say that majority they not just feel hate you. Quickly realize. But when you say majority they dey your side, you know say you are in the good track. You understand? Because UK everybody when fight UK that time, UK know say those people when they talk to her they are in the right track. At least she quickly the next day wear white and white, they can rebuke anything when you talk. Since UK code those to you, okay, more they breed more, they make They bring more. Please guys, make una dey give me thumbs up. Thumbs up is very important. Make una give this video thumbs up. Subscribe if you never subscribe. Yeah, na UK break the table. Wetin title I want give this thing. I say one from one person, they say you dey throw shade to editorial. Is it UK throw shade to editorial? UK dey shade editorial. Why UK dey shade editorial?
E don cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.